Hey y'all, hey, hi Joyfuls, how y'all doing? If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Joy, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the April BoxyCharm box since they've merged with IPSY. So if you want to see what I got in my variation and get my opinion on my products, then stay tuned. I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joy and this is Joyful and Triumphant. To all my joyfuls, hey y'all, hey. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Y'all gonna have to excuse my raggedy setup right now. I'm waiting for my new camera to get here. So y'all be patient and bear with me through these next couple of videos. Cause you know it's not where I want it to be, but hey. I'm starting from the bottom, and then we're gonna be there. So just bear with me for a while till I get my setup back. But anyway, welcome to the channel. So today's video is gonna be an unboxing of the new BoxyCharm box. It used to be BoxyCharm Base Box, but now it's just called BoxyCharm since they've merged with IPSY. And so, with the BoxyCharm box, you'll get 5 full-size products, but this time you get to pick 3, and then they'll match the other 2 products based on your beauty quiz and your preferences that you have within the app. So let's take a look at what I got. So the first product that they picked for me is the Dr. Brandt Mineral Mask, and it's helpful with reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and it's an exfoliator. Ladies who have mature skin, you know we need this right here. So we all know that this brand is top notch. And so anytime I get something from them, I'm quite excited to use it. And again, it's a mineral mask, so we know it's going to detoxify our skin. It's going to revitalize, refresh. So I'm really looking forward to using this. Let's see. Oh, it smells good. It smells citrusy, like oranges. And it has like a little creamy consistency, like a primer. It smells really, really good. But yeah, so yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. Now, this next item, I am super duper excited. So I'm really into face oils now. And a couple of months ago in my BoxyCharm box, I got the fig oil from BYROE. And I was like, what am I going to do with this? I kept getting these face oils, and I really didn't know how to use them properly because I do have combination skin. So I'm thinking, why would I put more oil on my face? But then after I did some research and learned about how to properly implement face oils and serums into my skincare routine, I noticed a huge difference. Like since I started using the fig oil, my skin has been brighter, it feels softer, it feels hydrated. I noticed that I recently lost a whole lot of weight. So I had like chicken neck going on. I was like, Lord, I gotta get rid of this chicken neck. All this loose skin I got everywhere. And but since I started using the face serums, and ladies, make sure you taking care of your neck. You take care of your face, you gotta take care of your neck and your whole décollage area. You gotta take care of that too, because you don't want to have saying face all tight and looking good, and then your neck looking like turkey neck. No, we can't have that. So I started using the fig oil. So when I saw that the pear oil and serum was one of our options, I was like, please let me get it, and I did get it. And so the pear serum It's good for brightening your skin and toning and evening out your skin tone. And just researching on the company's website, it said that immediately after use, 97% of the participants who would participate in the trial saw brightness in their skin. And then after 4 weeks, they noticed that their skin was brighter and firmer. So I'm excited about getting this product from BYROE. Again, I love the fig oil. I've seen how it's made a difference in my skincare routine and in my skin. Even my makeup lays differently now on my face. It's not. Before, my makeup was like, I was just like, what is going on? Because my makeup was caking up and it wasn't looking right. And I was like, why is my skin so dull and stuff? But since I've started implementing the face oils into my skincare routine, my makeup is like laying, just blended in my skin. It's not caking up anymore. Even my concealer is starting to do right. So I'm like, yes, I'm gonna keep using it. If you got this in your box variation, you're lucky, because this stuff is like liquid gold, chef's kiss. So the next 3 items are the 3 items that I picked. So the first one that I picked was from Beauty for Certain. I've never heard of this brand before, so I was just interested. And this is a primer. It's called Make It Bang, and it's a primer. And so I wanted to try it out. Because at the time I was like testing out different primers to see, how would they work with my skin. Because again, doing my research, I learned that, if your foundation is water based, then you need a water based primer. And if your foundation is silicone based, then you should use a silicone based primer. So I've been trying out different primers and things, and so here's another one. It smells good. It has a nice fragrance to it. So yeah, I'm excited to try out this Make It Bang primer from Beauty for Certain. Yeah, it smells really good. Goes on clear. That's that mask that I had put on earlier. So yeah, looking forward to using that. The next item that I selected is from FORCHICS, and it's their eyelash serum. I know a lot of people that use this product, and their lashes are so thick and long and pretty. And I thought they were wearing falsies, and they were like, "No, girl, I use FORCHICS." And I was like, "Okay." So when I saw that it was one of the options, I jumped on it to pick it up. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this and see how it does with my lashes. Cause yeah, I'm tired of fighting trying to put on falsies all the time. So yeah, FORCHICS, yay, winning. And then the last item that I got is from KAB Cosmetics, and it is a glow powder in Bronze Babe. And this is how it looks. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch it. And that is how it looks. Not that, that's that mask, but that right there. Oh, that's a gorgeous highlight. Yeah. So I'm a highlighter girl. I love using highlighter. So I'm really excited about this one because it looks fantastic. Right there. So yeah, those are the products that I got this month in my box variation. I'll probably I'll probably use this highlighter in one of my get ready for me videos that I'm gonna do this week for my Foundation Friday video series that I do. But yeah, that's my box variation this month. I hope you liked my video. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you got in your box variation for this month. Are you happy with the products you got? I purposely picked more skincare products this month because I had placed an order when they had the mega shop the mega drop sale, and I had picked out all these good products. I had like the Fenty foundation. I had my Ciate London, because y'all know I love Ciate London. I had all kind of good stuff in my order from the mega drop shop. And when I got my box was empty, y'all. They had put like one little tiny piece of tape on there and didn't even secure the box. So somewhere in between it getting shipped to me from DHL to the post office, all my stuff fell out my box. So you know I was pissed off. And I let BoxyCharm know, and y'all probably saw that video on my TikTok if you follow me on TikTok too. So I hope they learn how to package boxes properly since they've been taken over by IPSY, because IPSY does real good with packaging their items. But BoxyCharm, I don't know what kind of people y'all got packaging y'all stuff, but you need to get it together. Because I was highly upset when I got that box and it was empty. I was like, what the devil? But anyway, I liked my box this month. I'm quite happy with the products that I picked, and I really like the fact that we can basically build our boxes now, and that's how they're building it too. You can build your box now based on your beauty quiz results or what you want for that month. So if you want more makeup stuff, then you can pick more makeup stuff. If you want more skincare, you can pick more skincare. They got a nice wide variety of products. They got a great sale going on right now in the drop shop. I was looking in there today. Lots and lots of good stuff in there. New products, new brands. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about this merger. And again, I hope BoxyCharm learn how to package stuff properly. So I don't get no more empty boxes, because I was quite upset that was I had placed that order was well over $100. So yeah, I was really upset that I didn't get none of my stuff. But that's okay, because some of the stuff I want I'm gonna get at the Sephora sale. And use my little VIB discount, and I'm gonna get it there. But anyway, I'm gonna do a wear test later on with some of these products with that highlight. Definitely with this highlighter, because that thing is gorgeous. And like I said, I'm a highlighter girl. So again, I'm Joy. If you like the video, leave me a comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Again, I have a wide variety of content. There's something for everybody here. If you need a little encouragement, motivation, and inspirations, check out my Joyful Jubilations playlist. It'll give you some motivation and encouragement when you're going through tough times, because you got to keep God first in everything that you do. And if you're a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, my sorors, check out my Delta box reviews that I do every month, and I also do reviews on other Delta related merchandise that I may get. So yeah, sorors, go support me and subscribe to the channel. Support your soror, okay? And then again, I have makeup content. I do unboxings and get ready with me videos. My focus is mainly on mature skin, because I am fine and 50 and 51. Fine, fabulous, and 51. Okay? And I do content for ladies with mature skin, because we got to keep it looking good, okay? And so, yeah, if you want to follow me, check me out on TikTok at TriumphantDST10. Same as my name here on YouTube. And on Instagram, my name is Georgia Way to the World. Follow me, and let's get to know each other. And again, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.